homework. I think I went over enough in here. I'm going to go over a review question just in case you've forgotten. Okay, starting with number 7. The sum of two numbers is 90. We know how to do that. X plus y equals to 90. Their difference is 18, so they're talking about x and y. X minus y, their difference is 18. Find the numbers. Okay, so you can use common sense and find the numbers, but you can also use elimination. So elimination means you take this one. I'm going to do it in red, okay? X minus y equals to 18, and eliminate. So you eliminate this, you get 2x equals to 108. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is 54. So one of the numbers is 54. If that's the case, 54 minus what equals to 18? So minus what number? Either you figure it out mathematically or you go 54. I don't like this negative. I'm going to use the positive. X plus y. X plus y equals to 90. So 54 plus y equals to 90. And all I need to do is subtract 54. Y equals to 36. So 54 minus 36 is 18. So find the numbers. The numbers are incomplete sentence, guys. 54 and 36. Okay? Here, the second of the two number is 5 more than twice the first. That's too hard. The sum of their number is 44. So I know x plus y equals to 44. Find the numbers. Okay. The second of the two numbers. Second of the two number is y. This is the first. So x is the first number. Y is the second number. X is the first one. Y is the second one, So this says the second, so it's y of the two number is equals, so y equals 5 more is plus 5, then we flip, that's why it's plus. Twice the first number is x, twice is 2 times x, so 2x. Okay, you use substitution. So in place of y, you put in 2x plus 5. So you got x here plus, in place of this y, you put 2x plus 5. 3x plus 5 equals to 4 minus 5 minus 5. X is a negative number. Oh, it's 44. That's why. 39, right? 3x. Divide by 3. Get x equals to 13. So the first number is 13. The second number is, the first number is 13. And the second number is, let's see, 13 plus what makes 44? Or I can put in, this equation's easier to put in. 2 times 13 plus 5, that's my second number. That's 26 plus 5, 31. The second number is 31. Add it together, we get 44, which is right here. Okay. Fundraiser has a band, fundraiser for band. Mr. Brinks Ross, band instructor, plans to sell hats that features his school logo. This company packaged a hat will charge, okay. So they're planning to sell hats that features, they're doing a fundraiser. So there's a cost and there's an income. The company's hat will charges a cost, the band $15 for design and $15 and setup costs. So $15 for design and setup costs. Okay, so $15 for everything, but plus $5 per hat times X. So here is the equation, 15 plus 5X, Y equals to that. Okay, they decides to sell the hat for $10 each times the number of hats, right? So X, we use X for the hat. So Y equals, this is the cost, and they plan to sell it, so it's called an income. Y equals 10X. Write a linear equation represent the production cost in dollars. To find the cost is Y equals 15 plus 5X, where X is the number of hats and Y is the cost or income in dollars. Okay, what is the coordinate for the solution of this graph? What's the coordinate for the solution? We need to find where the two lines meet. How do we know it's two lines? Because there's 2X and 2Y's, two lines. So we need to see where they meet. What are the coordinates for the solution? Explain what it means as it relates to the problem situation. The coordinates are and it means. Let's leave definition for meaning. Let's do the work. You would use substitution and then graph it. Now when you graph, you need to make sure you pick your points, the number of hats, start with 0, and then where the two lines meet using substitution, okay, and then one that's a lot bigger than where they meet. Okay, if you don't understand this, please see me at lunch because it will be on your next test. Most of you will know what to do because we've done a lot of it. Okay, you guys can graph this. Okay, here write a linear and slope intercept form. We can use here y equals to mx plus b because we have the y-intercept, 15, 0, 15. And all you need to do is find the rate of change, the slope, the m. And all you need to do for m is, this is 0, 15, use another point, 2, 12. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, okay? And then find slope, put it in there, and that's your answer. Here, because we don't know the y-intercept, there's no y-intercept, so you need to use y, point slope, sub 1 equals to parentheses x minus x sub 1. Find the rate of change first, y2, y1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. That's the rate of change, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So make sure you do that, and same here. Because you don't know what the y-intercept is, pick 2 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, and do point slope. And answer D. Okay, we've done a lot of these, so I want you to try these on your own. Explain that, make sure you explain Read this and tell me which method you prefer and why. Okay? That's your homework.